Hey friends, welcome back. We are here again with another video on the Swiss ball and full body focus, 15-20 minutes max, and I guarantee you're going to get a great workout. If you want to know a little bit more about the benefits of working with the Swiss ball, then catch the beginning of my previous video right here where I explained that. I also listed in the comments below. And let's go ahead and grab yourselves a ball, a mat if you have one, would be more comfortable, and let's get started. Okay, for the first exercise, you're going to sit yourself down on the ball, and then just make sure you have space to walk forward. You're going to walk forward until your head and your shoulders are comfortably resting on the ball, and I want your head to be higher than your shoulders, so not back here somewhere, a little bit down. Okay, let's start with some freeing up of the shoulders and mobilization of the upper body. Reach the arms up towards the ceiling. As you inhale, the scapula, so your shoulder blades pull off the ball, and then press them down. And inhale, reach up and press down. Make sure your hips aren't dropping down and that you're keeping your hips parallel to the floor. And down. Inhale, reach up and exhale down. Inhale, reach up and exhale down. And inhale, reach up. Exhale down. We're going to open the arms as you inhale. Exhale, press up. Inhale, open. Exhale, press up. Inhale, open. Exhale, press up. Let's do one more. Inhale, open. And exhale, press up. Now, one arm is going to press down as the other one presses up to your head. So inhale to prepare. Exhale, one arm goes down, the other one goes up. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, change sides. Inhale up and exhale, change. Inhale up and exhale, change. Inhale up, exhale, change. Last time, inhale up, exhale, change. I know your glutes are on fire here. That's on purpose. We're working multiple things at the same time. Now let's circle the arms. Inhale, open. And exhale, press up. Inhale, open. And exhale, up. Whole time you're keeping those ribs under control. Inhale, open. And circle down and around. Let's reverse. Press down. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Inhale, around and up. Exhale, down. Inhale, around and up. Bring the arms down. And hands go behind your head now. We're going to activate those glutes even more. We're pressing the hips down. So you're folding right at your hips, pressing that tailbone all the way down to the floor, and then press the hips up. And down, inhale, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale, press up. Inhale down, exhale up. Down, and press it up. Down, and exhale up, down, exhale up, two more, down, and press up, one more, down, and press it up, good, walk yourself back, so you're on top of the ball again, and we're going to swing it around to the front, come to your side, and lie down on your back. The ball is against the glutes, but there is space between the knees and the ball, and your heels are approximately in the middle of the ball. Okay, arms close to your side means there's less stability. Opening out a little bit wider gives you a little bit more stability, so decide what you need. We're going to work the footwork series from the traditional Pilates reformer on the ball, okay, or a variation of it. So we start with our Pilates pose, so that means toes are apart, heels are together, and inhale to extend the legs, lift the hips up, those inner thighs glue together, and then exhale down, bend it in. Inhale up, and exhale down. Inhale out, and exhale down. And inhale, and lower down. And inhale. Lower down, let's do one more. Inhale, inner thighs come together and down. Let's switch to parallel feet. And inhale, press out. Exhale, down. Inhale, press out. And lower 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 down. One more time. Inhale, press out. And lower down. Good. Let's press. Now, the tops of the feet are on the ball. Okay, so the whole foot is on the ball. And you're going to press out as far as you can go with the pointed feet and then lift up the last moment. Stay there and point and flex and point and flex and point and flex. And 3 and 2 and 1. Lower the hips, bend it in. So I still want the feet flat on the ball. Knees and hips are approximately aligned. This time the ball does not move, it's just the hips lifting up and down, really working those glutes. Here we go. Inhale, press up and lower down. 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 2 more. Inhale, press up, lower down. Inhale, press up. Guess what? We're going to stay. And exhale, remove one leg and touch the ball. Move the other leg, touch the ball. Bring one leg up, touch the ball. Bring the other leg up, touch the ball. One more on each side and down. Last one, up and down. Lower those hips. Extend the legs for a moment. Give yourself a minute to breathe. Beautiful. Good. Let's turn to the side again. Come up to a seated position and come up and around to the beginning of your mat with the ball out in front of you. So let's do our ab workout. We're going to do our ab workout focusing on different variations of plank that are fantastic for working the entire core, especially with an unstable surface. So first one we're doing, we'll stay on our knees. You are going to have your hands towards the front of the ball so you have room to travel forward. And inhale to prepare. Exhale to press out. You're on your elbows. I want the hips pressing to the ball so it's a proper plank position but on your knees. Inhale here. Exhale, activate the abs to pull back towards the heels. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, press out. Keep that nice plank position. Inhale here. Exhale, activate the abs to pull back. Inhale, and exhale, press out. Inhale, exhale, activate the abs to pull back. And again, inhale to prepare, exhale to press out. Inhale here, exhale, pull it back, and inhale, exhale, press out. In, and exhale, bring it in. Good. Next one, we're going to challenge a little bit more. We're going to go out, hold that plank. Let's interlace the fingers if you can. If that's too unstable, place your hands on the ball. So now I want you to move the elbows forward a little bit. Don't let that lower back arch, and then pull the elbows down towards you. And away, and in towards you. And away, and in towards you. And away, and bring it in one more time, and away, and in, and press back. Sit on your heels for a moment. Final one is stirring the pot. So we're going to be doing circles. We're still staying on our knees for this one. If you feel ultra powerful and you want to take those knees off, by all means. Okay, but for this video, I'm demoing staying on your knees. Hands low. Press out, interlace the fingers if you can. Do not have that chest or the ribs resting on the ball. Okay, nice plank position. Circle to the right for 3, nice and slow. Keep control, all parts of that movement. 2, and 1. Now reverse. 3. You should be feeling that everywhere. 2. And 1, and come back onto your heels, hands resting on the ball. Have a little stretch here. Good. let's come up. So while we're on the topic of working the abs, let's challenge the obliques. So this one is nice to go up against a wall. You're going to bring your feet against the wall. The ball is right up by your hip because you're going to go lay over it to the side. Okay, so the top leg is in front. The back or the lower leg is behind. So let's bring that ball in really close to the hip. Okay, so it's on the thigh and on the hip level. Top leg in front, bottom leg behind, hips stacked one on top of the other, and you are draping yourself over the ball. Hands can be behind the head, okay? Take a nice inhale here. Exhale, we're just pressing up a little bit, just to where you're about parallel with the floor, and then lower down. Or a nice straight line from the top of your head down to your feet. And up, it really depends on the size of the ball that you have. But I don't want you arching all the way over to the right. And exhale, press, and lower. Let's do 3 more. Exhale, up, and lower down, and up, lower down. Last one here, up, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Take the opportunity to give yourself a nice stretch. So you could grab a hold of that top wrist and just give yourself a stretch here. So good. All right, let's switch sides. So I'll just turn towards the ball, keeping it in the same position because I know that was a good position from before. Okay, the top leg in front, bottom leg just behind. Those feet are close together, hands behind the head, lower down, and exhale, press up and lower. Exhale, press up and down. Exhale, press up and down. 3 more. Exhale, press up and lower down. 2 more. Exhale, up and down. Last one here. Exhale, up, and we hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And everyone's favorite part, have a nice little stretch here. Breathe. Good job. Let's come off of that. Okay, so let's go back to having the ball in front. This time, we're going to just, once again, place the belly over it, roll forward. We are going to start off with the feet touching the mat and the hands touching the mat. But make sure that your neck is nice and long, aligning with the rest of your spine. And as you inhale, you're going to lift one arm, opposite leg, and bring it down. And then change. Inhale, other arm and leg, and lower. Inhale up. Inhale up, and lower. And inhale, lift, and lower. And it's not uncommon to find that you can do one side beautifully, and then when you try to lift the other arm and leg, you're like, what just happened? I am losing control, okay? And that's normal. We always have one side that's better stabilizing than the other. And down, good, and up. But what's great about these exercises, and if you do them regularly, it helps eliminate those inconsistencies. And up and release. Here, take a moment, breathe. I like to stay draped over the ball. It's a nice way to release the back, especially if you breathe down into your belly. Okay, gives your lower back a nice stretch. Okay, let's do a nice little swan here. A little swan dive that works on the muscles of your back, your legs, glutes, and at the same time your arms are getting a little bit of a workout. So your hands are forward, you're coming forward until your legs lift off the mat, but your whole pelvic region and the top of your thighs are supported by the ball. You're going to lower down towards the mat by bending your elbows to the ball, and inhale, stretch those arms, lower the legs. Exhale, bending those elbows, lifting the legs up. Inhale, stretch the arms, lower the legs. And bend to the elbows to the ball. And stretch. And bend. And stretch. One more time, bend. Inhale, stretch. Beautiful job, press it back. Good work. Okay, let's do a final stretch here. So we're going to have the ball completely supporting your back. So lower back is against it. You should feel even your sacrum is up against the ball. You have a nice open squat position and you're just lowering that pelvis down as much as you can and really releasing your lower back into the ball. Inhale, stretch the arms back, stretch the legs, and let your head rest on the ball as you open up the chest. Ease into this. I don't want to see you guys flying off the ball, so don't get too enthusiastic with that extension in the legs. Take your time, and then come back to starting position. And again, inhale, over. This is just a nice way to get a little opening in the front of the body while supporting your spine. And coming back down. And let's do one more. Inhale, reach back. Get that nice opening, nice release here. Oh. If you want to stay a little bit longer, do. Okay, open your arms to where it feels comfortable for your shoulders. And let's bring it back. Come back on top of the ball. There you have it. That is another quick Swiss ball workout for you. Hope you liked it. Let me know below if you did. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I look forward to catching you next week with another video. Take care and have a great week. Bye-bye.